Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm unboxing these. The Trip Machine leather wraps for the grips on my Bonneville T120 Triumph. So as per usual, we'll check out the boxing, unbox it, and then later in the video, we'll fit it. Quick case in point as well, today we are using the Osmo Action 5 Pro camera for the first time, and audio is recorded on the DJI Mic 2. So let me know if pitch quality is better, video sound is better. Thanks. So firstly, this is the packaging. Really high quality, nice simple, premium feel, awesome graphics on the box. And inside, let's see what we've got. We've got a bag of goodies. Little thank you note. Another sticker, collecting stickers at this point. Care instructions for the actual grips. Safety instructions for the super glue, which is there. And then just a little bit about the Trip Machine. In this little pouch, I guess we have the super glue. And here we have the grips. Box, nothing left in. Cool little trinket box. So these are the wraps themselves. 3M tape on the back. Tapered one end. Flat on the other. As you can see, full of perforations, which are going to help with my grips because my grips on the Bonneville are heated. So hopefully it won't lessen the heat that comes through. There's actually a mark on these. Oh well. Now I have watched videos myself on these, and I do believe you do need to cut it to size and dry fit it initially. But first impressions, really thick leather. It smells like a good premium leather as well. Logo on the actual strap. I've gone with the black. I was toying with the tobacco brown because when you see the bike in a moment, I did buy the Trip Machine tank straps. I just like the look of it. It had no function. It was just all about form for me. They looked really nice. But I did get those in tobacco, and I was toying with the idea of getting those in the tobacco brown or in the black. And I went with the tobacco purely and simply because I think black and brown works well. It's quite a distressed looking brown, and it contrasts the tank being black. I wanted something to contrast it, so I went that way. However, the main handlebars and everything is all black, so I thought, well, I'm not sure how the brown would look with that. Yes, it would go with the tank straps, but I think I want the rest of the bike ultimately blacked out. So those are the straps. Not much more we can say about those, so I think we'll move on and we'll get this fitted to the Bonneville. There she is, my beautiful Bonnie. She's a 2019 Triumph T120 Black. Quite a lot of work done to her, but I'll do a breakdown of the bike on another video. So today we'll concentrate on these wraps. First things first, I'm going to make sure that the grips are nice and clean. And I'm going to do that by just cleaning them off with some isopropyl alcohol. This is a newer environment to where I've made my previous 2 videos. This is actually my tattoo studio. Yes, I am a tattoo artist. Some of you may have guessed already by all the work on my hands and arms and fingers. Grimy. And this is why we give it a good clean with the isopropyl, courtesy of the tattoo studio. And the good thing is there'll be no residue because it is alcohol. It will just evaporate off and leave us with a nice clean grip ready to stick. Now, I think, if memory serves me correct, you start with the smaller end and then work your way from the outside in. There is the little Trip Machine logo there, so I think I'll try and keep that somewhere here. So if we stay about there, just going to dry fit it initially to make sure it fits as needed. Now, being in my studio, I forgot to bring tools, so it's going to be a bit inconvenient with the lever and the lever and the mirror in the way, but we make do. Being sure to pull it tight, and what I'm trying to do is keep the 3M partially on the leather, partially on the grip itself. And this will give us a vague idea as to how much we need to cut off at the end. Now, that's pretty good, right? Against the standard. And the leather look makes it a lot chunkier as well, which is nice. So I've got relatively big hands, so. And hopefully, as I say, the heating function will penetrate through no problem because of the perforations. So, nothing left to do it for real. I'm usually quite terrible at peeling these things, but that wasn't a bad effort the first time. I think it's about there is about right. And just make sure that we iron it down as we go along. Trip Machine was a bit farther forward than I wanted it. That's the one. And just be sure that if you were to do this yourself, you keep peeling it off on the back bit by bit, just so you don't cause yourself a headache and getting it stuck in places you don't really want it being stuck. As you can see by the tank, these are the tank straps by Trip Machine. They seem to do really good quality products. I found out about them through a UK store website, but turns out they didn't have that colour in, so I ordered it directly from Trip Machine themselves. Great customer service. I'm not sponsored by these, as I'm sure you already know, considering I'm just a newbie at this YouTube thing. This is all bought and paid for with my hard-earned money. And it's quite a cool brand. And then I'm guessing, no, I don't know that. That the super glue comes in handy here. Just by snapping that off. And I can guarantee I'm the type of fool that's going to super glue the hand to the motorbike. Gives you guys a laugh though. And there it is, the before and after. Get a little close up of that, shall we? Not a perfect job, but not bad for my first attempt. Right, so on to the other side. And there she is, all done. Left and the right. And this is my beautiful Bonneville T120, situated in my tattoo studio. Thanks again for watching, guys. I appreciate you coming along for the journey with me. I've got some super exciting videos coming up, which may or may not involve two brand new Ducatis that I'm taking for a test ride from Ducati in Bournemouth. And there's a few other bits that are left to unbox. That I'm super excited to be unboxing too. So anyway, once again, Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for subscribing, liking, commenting. Appreciate everyone that takes the time out to actually have a look. And, you know, I've got a good company here. I enjoy tattooing, love it, passion. But I just thought I'd start YouTube as a bit of a hobby and see if anything come of it. Because along with tattooing, I also love motorbikes. Till next time, guys, stay tuned. Exciting stuff coming up. Peace.